We do the tax show, so we teach people about survival, how to survive a storm, when the martial arts contribution is the right to self-defense. That's what we promote here at the show. That's what we always advocate, is the law-abiding citizen having the right to defend their life.
Pwede nilang ilagay yan sa mga Caliger UGV nila or yung unmanned ground vehicle, i-mount mo yan. Pwede yan mag-secure na mga area na hindi na kailangan ng tao dahil remote operated na. Remote operated yung unmanned ground vehicle, remote operated din yung weapon system.
Ang company po namin is Aerotech 1 Incorporated. Ang product po namin is sa FireTech. Mas po siya, kumbaga for emergency purpose po siya. Pwede po siyang magkarga po ng 30 to 50 kilograms po.
It's really a new day for the gun industry in this country, for commercial gun sales, for the law-abiding citizen. It's really going to enhance our market business side, but for the gun owner, we're going to be double in size, maybe triple in size any time now, because Filipinos love guns. We enjoy the shooting sports. We also like the ability to defend ourselves. Congratulations to all the shooters. They're going to benefit from this.
Hi, I'm Joven Ong, Safe House System Specialist Inc. What we sell over here are bunker systems, panic room systems. We sell blast doors, bulletproof doors, and air filtration that's good for nuclear.
One advice that I can give you about road rage is for you not to go down your vehicle. Okay? So everything really happens so fast. Everything really happens so hot, together with the weather. But the first thing that you should not do is get out of your vehicle. Okay? You always secure yourself, secure your family, enable for you to avoid road rage.
Ako po si Red Oliva Lim ng AK9 Mandog. Ano po yung AK9 Mandog? K9 handling, water search and rescue, urban search and rescue, wilderness search and rescue, at yung advance po namin na human remains detection at combat search and rescue.
Let us move forward with the skills, insight, and renewed sense of purpose we will gain today and the days to come. Together, let us remain committed to excellence, innovation, and collaboration as we prepare to face the ever-evolving challenges in defense and security.